wazwa neinyawo kungathi ziyahluma waphakama msekhona waphakama waya eJerusalem kwenzeka into engakaze yenzeke kuye because umusa kaNkulunkulu can take you from Lodebar to Jerusalem angazi kwenzakalana empilweni yakho but the word of God is taking you from Lodebar to Jerusalem. The Jerusalem, the house of glory, the holy seat, which means he was taken from shame to glory, from shame to glory. Let's talk about this building. uNkulunkulu omathuba esibili lithi iBhayibheli wasuka eLodebar waya eJerusalem lithi iBhayibheli wayedla njalo etafuleni lenkosi mind you waye crippled now abachaza abathi indwangu yetafula umehlele etafuleni yayimfihla ukuthi ucrippled angazi ukuthi la masifika la enkonzweni sifika sivele endaweni ezihlukene yabanye bafika la bezofunda kodwa kuyabhethe ekhaya emuva kodwa umusungena endlini kaNkulunkulu awubonakala ukuthi ekhaya ushiyene ngoba indwangu yetafula lenkosi iyakhava yakusibekela awucela usathane manje ukuthi sathane akunandaba musuloko ngicafezela ngokuthi ekhaya bahlube ngokuthi ubaba uyaphuza ngothi uma na uyaphuza uyabona ula le joyitile ngicela manje ukuthi sengisetafuleni lenkosi I am eating with the king now ngisekhona kodwa come what may ngizoba ilento uNkulunkulu afuna ukuthi ngibe yiyona come what may ngizoba ilento engifuna ukuthi ngibe yiyona I don't give a damn no swimming pool no river manje sengisekhona kodwa sengisetafuleni lenkosi.
Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Lord, you are worthy